Hi, John from Ballerine Sewing. Today we're going to do the upgrade for Stellaire. Firstly, make certain your machine is running the latest software upgrade. This upgrade is downloadable from Brother Download. Make certain that this is at least the latest over 2.0. Once this has been done, we need to scan the code on the activation card or go to the website as featured on the card. This is what you will see once you've done that. Then press start. The tablet asks for a number of the machine. This is the featured number. Enter the number of the machine. Then press next. Turn over the activation card, scratching off the tinfoil to reveal the digit for the activation. The card number should be entered into the tablet as shown. Once the number is entered, press Get Key. Then go back to the machine and press Certification and Kit 1 and Normal Certification and enter the number into the machine. Press Set and you should end up with the successful installation.